Here we go. We have a question, n meetings in one room. So we have given start time and end time. This is the meeting start time and this is the meeting end time. And we want to calculate the maximum number of meetings that can be accommodated in a single meeting room. So we have this arrays, two array. So we start a meeting at 1 and this will end on 2. So then second meeting will start on 3, then end on 4. The note here is the start time of one chosen meeting cannot be equal to the end meeting. So the value must be greater. So that's the overall description. Let's build the approach. We have this array. I shuffled the array. This is the start time and this is the end time. So this question is a classic greedy question. We have to sort the end times because we want to finish the meeting as soon as possible to maximize our meetings. So if we sort according to end time, first we have this 1 2, next we have this 3 4, then we have this 0 6, then we have this 5 7, then we have 5 9, then we have 8 9. We cannot sort these arrays individually because this start time corresponds to its ith end time. So we have to create another array. This is the 2D array. So this is the 2D array and we have to create in a n cross 2 matrix. So we have 1 2. So we have n rows 1 2, then 3 4, then 0 6, then 5 7, 5 9, then 8 9. We have this type of matrix, and after that we have to sort according to this value. So we have a value here and we have a value here and we have arrays here, and in this we have to sort according to first value. So that's important. When we build a array that correspond to one another, so we have to build in such a manner, and it's important to build in a n cross 2 design. So we can compare its first value to the next element first value so that it can sort accordingly. So after we have this, we want to do the maximum meetings. First meeting we can do at this. So its end time is 2. So we will take end time. Its end time is 2 and maximum meetings that we have done till now is 1. So next we have this element. So just check, is the start time greater than this time? Only then we can attend this meeting. Yes, in this case, so we will update our answer variable and we will update our and variable also. Next we have this. Is the start time greater than the end time? Only then we can do this meeting. In this case, it is not. Check for next value. 5. Start time meeting is 5 and it is greater than end time. So this meeting ends on 7 and we have done one more meeting. Answer is 3 now. Check for this value. Start time is less than or equal to, then this meeting, its a start time is greater than the end time of the previous meeting, so that we can attend this meeting, and its end time is 9. So we are occupied till 9. So we have to update one more time. So its answer is 4. We have attended 4 meetings, which is this, and next we have this, then this. These are the 4 meetings that we have attended. Why not we sort on the first index, the start time? So let's sort it just for visualization. We have this, then we have this. Suppose here we have 16 and we have 3 and 3 and 5, then 6 8. So as you can see, if we sort according to first value, according to start value, then we are occupied till 16. So this will give us the wrong answer. So the correct answer is we got when we sort according to the end time. So that's important. We have to sort according to the end time. So let's code this. We have a array. This is n cross 2 array, and its first value is ith first value is start time, and next value is end time. We have to sort according to first. So as I said, we have operation, we have o1 and o2. These are the values, and this is the array. So array contains two values, index 0 and index 1. So we have to sort ascending in ascending order according to end time. So this is it. Next, we have attended one meeting. Answer is 1 now, and time is this end time. You can also consider answer 0 and time minus 1. So start time is 0 here, so you have to be cautious. Next, we have a for loop iterating from 1. If the start time is greater than the previous end time, then only we can attend this meeting. So increment your answer and increment your time, update your time. Next, return your answer, the meeting we have attended. So let's submit this code. If you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is highly appreciated. We have successfully solved this question. Thank you all for watching. That's it.